Yeah, hello everyone. I hope you are good. Then this is accident based topic. Yeah, it's a question like we're going to cover these two questions. Uh, the question paper is from November 2016. You see DBE. Then they say a sulfuric acid solution is prepared by dissolving this amount of this acid in this volume of water. Then they say calculate the number of moles of this acid present in this solution. The solution is prepared in this volume of water, this amount of water. To calculate the moles, we because you see how much is 2 marks. Then we have the volume which is occupied by this substance. Then we have the mass of this substance as well. Then if we want the moles, we can start by this formula, which says the concentration is equal to mass over a molar volume. Then we go to this one, which says concentration is equal to number of moles divided by volume. Then you see you can't go to this formula straight. You need a concentration first. That's why sizoza kule formula kuqala, then sithole concentration, then siyifake ngapha. Then if we substitute, mass is 7.35, then the molar mass for sulfuric acid is 2 plus 32 16 multiplied by 4. It's 98. This is a molar mass multiplied by a volume. This volume, we can convert it dividing 1000. Then ibanje it's 0.5, because it's supposed to be in cubic decimeters. Then you can get our answer. Yeah, answer is 0.15 mole per cubic decimeter, a concentration, this one. Then we can substitute it here. 0.15 is equal to we're looking for the moles of this present in the solution. Then the volume is still this amount. The volume is 0.5. If you convert it to times 0.5, then the number of moles 0.075 mole, or you can round off to 2 decimal places. This number will increase by 1 because this one is 5. Then it will be 0.08 mole of this acid. Then we can move to this question. They say sodium hydroxide. Bese ngenayo sodium hydroxide ngapha. Bese ne acidic phela. Okay. Sodium hydroxide pellets are added to this volume then of this acid. But the balanced equation for the reaction is as follows. We should see they reacted this base and this acid because they added them so that they can react. Then after completion of the reaction, the pH of the solution was found to be 1.3. Okay, after the pH was found to be 1.3, sorry for the disturbance, the sodium hydroxide pellets are added to this volume of this acid. Then the balance equation for them reacting, it's like this. You see, this is an acid. This one is reacting with this new pellets of a base. Then they say, because it's a neutralization reaction, then they say after completion of the reaction, the pH of the solution was found to be 1.3. It is not 7. They are both a strong base and a strong acid, but the pH is not 7, you see, which means there's something which is excess. Then for a base, the pH of a base is like a greater than 7. Then for an acid is like less than 7. Which means this part represent which because pH siqalile, okay, but after completion of the reaction pH ibe 1.3. kusho ukuthini ngoba 1.3? Kusho ukuthi okay, siqale la, pH ikhandwa ilokhu njani, is the excess part lesuke isalile, then or like ipart engareactanga, then kusho ukuthi cause mangabe bareacte wabili baqedana bayi2 lapha, kusho ukuthi pH izoba u7, neutral izoba u7. Then as i1.3 is number which is less than 7, kusho ukuthi pH less than 7, kusho ukuthi like the pH represent ukuthi lento esele injani, i-acidic. Kusho ukuthi into ekade i-excess i-acid, since ku-1.3 is less than 7. Then sebethi assume complete ionization of this acid, but assume ukuthi maye lokhu njalo ionizer, since a diatomic element lo compound, so my ionizer, so ionizer in 2 steps. Ionizer kanjani? Ngokuthi react no water, then yeah, in 2 steps, yeah, kukanjalo. This pH this pH like le pH le ikhandwe ile amount yale acid esuke isalile yanga react, ihlezi ikhandwa yilo pH, yeah, leyo into esuke excess leyo, lo excess lo kusalile unreacted part is what make the pH. Basebethi la calculate the mass of the base added to the acid solution. Assume that the volume of the solution does not change. Which is that volume that does not change is this volume. Okay, it does not change no matter si-add i-base khona kuyo le volume, i-volume ayi-change. Okay, siyakuzwa lokho, kodwa thina sifuna i-mass yale base e-addwe la, yabo. Lana bathe sodium hydroxide pellets are added. Asazi ukuthi mangakanani angithi a-addiwe isikhathi be-react. Sazi ukuthini? Then esikwaziyo for that's like this is an acid yethu le H2SO4, then this is NaOH la, yabo. Esikwazi kuphi baya react angithi, sazi ukuthi sesibonile ukuthi pH ekugcineni iba 1.3, as pH idetermine ile amount esale yanga react, le amount since pH less than 7, kusho ukuthi lento esele i-acidic. Ngamanye amazwi ke lento le pH le ikhandwe yi-acid, ingakho ilo ile pH less than 7, yeah, kusho ukuthi uyena o-excess lo. Then siyakuzwa lokho, okay, kulungile. Then i-volume yakhe esinayo la ingakanani? The pH i-volume yakhe esinayo it's 0.5 masimconvert, then yeah, then the pH is 1.3. pH is 1.3. Then i-pH-ke ikhandwe yiloko okusele, kodwa yini esele? I-pH idetermine ama-hydronium ions nama-hydroxide ions. Le acid idetermine ama-hydroxide ions, laba OH 3 plus H ilento le i-concentration yalaba then mangabe le acid le i-reactor no-water, laba ngithi bayafomeka, yilaba-ke lamalokhunjana lama-hydronium ions lawa adetermine i-pH ye-acid. Then adetermine i-pH ye-base ukuthi ingakanani, yilaba ile concentration yalaba edetermine lokho. Ngeke kube i-substance kuyiyo kanje, kuba lamalokhunjana khona OH minus. This is for i-base. Concentration yala iyona edeterminayo ukuthi how much of the pH for base is present. Yabo, then-ke kuba kanje. Then ukuze siyenzeke siyazi ukuthi then masi-analyze then usulfur this acid yethu ku-excess lo uzoba used up phela. Then sinikezweni thina then okay sinani futhi sinama-moles of the acid, shuthi sinama-moles la 0.075 moles azo-reactor nalo. Asazi ukuthi u-react kangakanani kodwa ngithi okay siyazi ukuthi this one is in excess. Excess lo excess because i-pH idetermine nguyena. Okay, then ithini formula yelo for ama-number of moles? It's ama-number of moles initially ayalingana nama-number of moles reacted plus the number of moles which was in excess. Angithi lento kukanje, bese nama-number of moles aphelele la sothi awu-10 yabo. Then ngenxa yale reaction ngokuthi bemaningi kakhulu awu-10, mhlawumbe lo bedinga u-5, shuthi azosala nga-react ilawo 5. Okay kuzo-reactor u-5 angithi yabo, azo-reactor u-5 reacted plus mapha amanga-reactanga, lawa anga-reactanga ilawa excess, shuthi amanye u-5 excess ilawa nalawa, kodwa more-add akukhibela kanje i-formula lena-ke. But I was making an example, shuthi thina ukuze because kufuneka i-mass ya-sodium hydroxide esuke i-edwe la, shuthi i-mass ka-sodium hydroxide i-reactile leyo, yabona i-mass yakhe i-reactile. So kwenza njani-ke? Since sinale pH, le pH ingasiza ukuthi sithole ama-number of moles alosa i-concentration, ingasiza sithole i-concentration ya-sulfuric acid, sibuye sitholeni ama-number of moles ya-sulfuric acid kuphi, because angithi izinto excess le lawo ma-number of moles zobekwa ama-number of moles lawa akwe-excess. Then since sinawo ka-reactile, shuthi uzoba kanjani mase sifuna awale base le, since lawa kuyi like the whole number, lawa kuyilawa esaphelele, lawo esaphelele wonke akwe-excess asemaningi kakhulu, like ayuthi excess, it's like wonke it's just full of it, like njengalo 10 loyana kuzoba u-10 la esase-10 wonke la. Then mase kuba khona lawa reactile, then aswazi kodwa sazi maphi siwabala lawa akwi-excess, siwabala nge-pH. Then for a pH, it's a formula of pH is equal to minus log concentration of hydronium ions. Then what is the pH? pH is 1.3 is equal to minus log H3O plus. Then what is the concentration of the senza njani-ke sivele sithi the concentration kanje senze kanje la hlezi kuno 10 kulog hlezi kuno 10, kodwa lo 10 asim indicate njengaku njenge-exponent ewu-1 asi-indicate kodwa kuhlezi kuno-10 la. If ungaboni lutho wazi uyazi ukuthi kuno-10. Ube sowenza njani-ke is equal to lo 10 ola i-concentration lo ifunayo is equal to 10, then up to exponent kuba ile kodwa ibe negative, then minus 1.3. I-concentration yama-hydronium ions lawo akhanda i-pH, yabo ama-hydronium ions. Kodwa sifuna thina angithi sifuna kahle kahle ama-number of moles sina alo sulfuric acid lapha kuphi kwi-excess kwilokhu njani kwi-final part lapho lawa excess, yabo. Then sesizokwenza njani-ke, sokwenza njani because le yini i-concentration le, because la ama-square brackets representa a-concentration. Then sihamba kanjani-ke because angithi thina siyazi ukuthi i-concentration yakhe le kodwa kune-reaction ade yenzeka angithi lena ethi for this angithi is diatomic uyakwazi ukuthi aphisane ngo-hydrogen plus about 2. Kusho ukuthi lo okay le concentration representa yalaba kodwa bewu-2 i-concentration yabo bewu-2 because ithi H2SO4 plus H2O maya ngithi ionize, then ubese forma H3 uyadonate lokhu njane ngelongo hydrogen oyedwa lo acid angithi uyi-proton donor uzodonate ngo-hydrogen owodwa should la sekuzoba khona abawu-3 O plus, then bese kusala bani lapha adonate ngokuqala kusala bani bese kusala la sekusele hydrogen oyedwa uzoba u-HSO4 minus for ukuthi selahlekele u-hydrogen oyedwa. Abuye futhi lo akakaqeda ngithi ukureact u-diatomic sezoba u-HSO4 minus plus H2O abuye azofoma bani uyadonate usase i-acid still ngoba uyi-proton donor ilo u-diatomic shothi ukwazi ukuphisana ngo-hydrogen abawu-2 sizophisana ukugcina ngalona bese bobani yena bese ba H3O plus bese kusala bani la sekusele SO4 then u-minus beyedwa sebezoba u-2 ukhombisa ukuthi ulahlekelwe u-hydrogen abawu-2 sekuzoba u-2 minus. Then ithini-ke lento ithi lo uphisane ngo-hydrogen ababili kodwa ufoma izinto undergo ama-reaction awu-2 angithi lo eyedwa iyokuqala le yesibili le kodwa mawuthi uyabheka lokhu akufomayo kufoma ku-2 ukufoma esahamba ngale reaction akufoma esahamba ngale enye reaction. Kusho ukuthi-ke ingathini lento mawuthanda ungavela uyisuse le bese wenza njani uthi la for la kumele babe u-2 lapha bese uthi kanje ukhombisa ukuthi uproducer ama-hydronium ions awu-2, then sowuzokwenza i-ratio because wena sowufuna ukuza la le concentration le eyalo wonke iyo le edetermine i-pH, so ufuna ukuza concentration yalo then wasithola i-concentration yakhe sekuzoba lula. Yabo i-ratio ethini ethi 2:1 kusho ukuthi la kuphindeke kabili la kuzoba u-half futhi i-concentration yala izoba ile number le uyi-half divide by 2 yabo because i-half wayo yabo lana i-half 1 la u-2 then izoba 10 power minus 1,3 divided by 2 mole. Le part esisebenzayo i-excess part lokho excess yeah sifuna ukuya initial sina kahle kahle. Okay, then this is the concentration in excess yabo, the concentration of this in excess. Okay, siyakuzwa lokho. Then shuthi singawathola kanjani ama number of moles singathini C is equal to N over V. Ama number of moles are in excess, then the concentration ile over 2 is equal to ama number of moles in excess because le pH yile determinekayo vele isuke ithathwe ikhandwe i-concentration excess. Then the volume, i-volume still kuseyleya i-volume abasasekuyo u-0.5. then ama-number of moles in excess ale lokhunjani ale acid kuzoba ile multiply by lo, because angithi bakunelokhu njani siyalokhunje makune equal sign we cross multiply, then 10 to the power negative 1.3 over 2 multiplied by 0.5. then this is our moles which are in excess for this acid, 0.0125 253 mole of H2SO4. This is the number of moles which are in excess. Then sifuna ama-number of moles alo siyazi vele ukuthi wonke ayostop lawa in excess, then bese kuthi lawa futhi sisakhuluma ngento eyodwa, lawa siwacalculate lapha ngakasho lutho ilawa initial, lawa initial like 10 initial. Then for us ukuthi sithole lawa areactile ke, so angithi lawa ila initial, lawa ila in excess, then shuthi khona reactile kwazi wagcina kusala lawa khona bawakhiphile la kufanele ukuthi areactile aminazeka, then kwase kusala lawa. Mo substitute la, this is the initial number of moles, ingakenzeki lutho ngo-sulfuric acid, wa substitute la esikhaleni sa initial, then initial number of moles is equal to the reacted mole plus the excess moles. Then initial umfake la, then is excess umfake la, then mase ufuna ukuthola reacted zo transpose la number of moles ayengale, shothi excuse number of moles of H2SO4 reacted equal to 0.075 oku initial minus 0.01253 lawa ilawa excess. Sifuna lawa areactile, thina sifuna ukuza la because siyazi ukuthi mase sithole la reactile lawa sulfuric acid sesizokwenza i-ratio nawo bobabili. Lawa reactile sesizokwenza ngawo, asikwazi ukwenza ngawo excess because ngeke react wonke, ingakho sifuna lawa reactile ngoba siyazi ukuthi la reactile azolingana nalawo ngokwe-ratio. Then sesizothi 0.075 minus le number le, then sithola u-0.0625 mole, then reacted lokhunjani ilawa reactile lawa is reacted, this one are in excess, these ones are initial. Then for us ukuthi sizothola maphi, sizothola lawa akuyilokhunjani akuyi lawa sifuna i-mass yala, ngithi sifuna i-mass la, shothi kumele sithole ama-number of moles wala, then i-ratio ithini, ithi 1:2 ila ku-reactwa khona, this one are reacted, ithi 1:2, shothi awala aphindeke kabili, angithi 1:2 shothi lo kufana nokuthi 1, then ukuze siye ku-2 kumele simultiply ngo-2, shothi ama-number of moles alo awilo ayile number le multiply by 2, then shothi sesizothini, sivele siye straight, number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. Sesicalculate i-mass yakhe straight le, ama-number of moles ile number ngithi multiply by 2, 0.0625 multiply by 2 is equal to a mass over i-molar mass yakhe u-sodium hydroxide, molar mass yakhe u-23 plus 16 plus 1 u-40 la, then u-40, then i-mass yakhe u-40 multiply by le number multiply by 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0.0 0. 0.0625 times 2. Then imass yakhe u5 grams. 5 grams of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, ekade ivele ikhona ya-reactor la, shuthi yila limiting reagent. Then kukanje. Sorry for i-bad handwriting. Then I hope ni enjoyile this one. Can ask anything there on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this lesson useful too.